First one's out. Trying to get light set up. I was setting up GoPro, and yeah, this just happened. So it is 10:42, October 6th, 10:42 p.m. You get the light set up. First one is out. Go figure, she is on the other side of the light. You're okay, Mama. I'm here. Good job. One's out. Two's out. Big pigs. Good job, Mama. Hi, big pigs. That's two out. That was quick. Cough it up, Mama. Aunt Bonnie! You're okay, girls. There you go. You're okay. Good girl. Good girl. Good boy. Good girl. Good girl. okay, mamas. I guess I just cut the cords, right? I'm just gonna cut them. They're already eaten. There's two. They're still attached. From what I saw, the cords just pull out. Where are you at? Come man the camera. Over here. Jump over the fence.
This way?
Yep. That's not hot, so you're fine. Here you go. I gotta get in there.
Oh.
Make sure you can get in there and see. Don't get your light over here. I think I just cut it. Cause one I think.
Are you supposed to cut them or they just come out?
Well, one I saw in the video, the guy pulled it out, and then the other one's already out. See, I think this one's already out. It's looking for Nini. Yeah, and then they clip it real short. But that's like, I don't want to hurt her. Okay, it's out. All right, I got it.
I think they just come out.
That was easy. I know now. It's okay. Good going, mamas. Good going, girls. I didn't even know I was hooking up the GoPro. And then she started making her breathing slowed down a lot, and I was like, whoa, and I ran back here, and one just came out. And then I ran back. Oh, water's coming out. You're okay, girl. Oh. Get your Nini right there. Get your Nini right there. Get your Nini right there. There it is. I want to cut them, but I don't have the... There we are. Look at them. And Bonnie, they're beautiful. Look at how black they are.
I know.
I was so hoping they would come out just like them. I want them all black with white legs. Good job, Mama. You're doing good. I'm just gonna let them chill for a minute. I don't see a need to do anything right now with them.
No, they're eating.
But once they start moving around, I'm gonna throw them in this container over here. I had to move my light and everything. Go figure she was turned this way. They're stout little jokers too. Like you try to grab one, they tighten up quick. Look at them.
Mm-hmm.
What do we got?
But do you cut that?
It looks like this is a boy.
Do you cut it?
A boy. Well, you're getting some milk. Yeah. Well, we got one boy. Is this a girl? Wow, we got two boys. Uh-oh. Carl's got some friends. That's two boys. Oh no. We want girls. Come on, Mama. Where's the girls at? Bring me some girls. Can you see them?
Mm-hmm.
Two boys. All black, just like Mommy and Daddy. White paws.